Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how the Earth formed, part 2. So the Earth formed remember where we left off? Well, we left off when there was a big cloud like this, and then there was a supernova that shockwaved it, which is this thing expanding this way. So that's where we left off. So that's where we left off. So now I'm gonna show you where the sun is. Okay, there. So now we're gonna put the Earth. Here, I'll show you the planets. And let me draw their orbits. And a fifth planet named Theia. So let's draw on the Earth's orbit, and it's not this big. It's actually about the size of Mars. So let me draw. There, that's Theia. And why is it on the Earth's orbit? Well, it's about to collide with the Earth. So, after a little while, Theia, which is, let's say this is a zoomed up version. Zoom. There. So let's say that's a zoomed up version. And, no, actually, let's draw Earth. So, Earth is going to be like this. Okay, that's good. So let's say that this right here is Theia. Okay? So this is Theia. And instead of coming straight on, luckily, if it came straight on into the center, it would have blown the Earth to bits. So if it went like that, it would be like boom, 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 and we wouldn't have a planet today. Luckily, it hit like this. So it basically, after that, threw a big chunk of the Earth out. So it would have splashed. That's what they call it anyway. So that's what would happen. It would have splashed. The Earth would have splashed. So I think I can draw that a bit better. Earth splash. Earth is being splashed. Like that. And there's like red here, of course. Hold on. Like that, basically. So it would have looked more realistic. Maybe like pieces of red are being thrown out. How about that's the Earth when Theia hit. And of course, Theia would look like this now. It would look like this big blob right here. That's Theia. So this is what would have happened. And all of this stuff, eventually, and of course, Earth formed again, like this. It collapsed on itself again, like I explained in the last video. But those pieces that were splashed went into orbit, so it would have looked like this. So this is what it would have been like. But of course it wouldn't be this color, it would be red because it's hot. Okay, that looks like blood, but anyway. Okay, whatever. That's what it would have looked like. So after a while, this stuff, which eventually cools, so it's like this, and I'm leaving this space and that space for early moons. So these eventually these collided. So they collided. So they're now like, so this is the other one. There. So they mushed together basically, like when you mush two kinds of ice cream together. That sounds gross. So that's how we got our moon. But the story isn't over yet. How did life come to Earth? Well, as you might know, Earth's water probably came from comets. So let's say this is a comet headed straight our way, but if there wasn't a moon to protect us, it would have smashed the Earth, basically. So if this is a comet, and of course it won't be this big, and if this was the moon, of course it won't be this big, but still. And it was coming this way, and so after that, it basically went like that and went into orbit, basically. So this is the moon. That's the moon's gravity, making it turn in its way. So it would do this, and then went into orbit, and then kind of strike at a glancing blow like that. So that's lucky we have a moon. Before it was just smashed, basically. So remember the Theia collision? So that's this, and of course this carries water. So let me draw some water particles here. Water, 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 powder. And of course, after a lot of crashing and stuff, the Earth formed the iron-nickel core, and the iron-nickel core started sloshing. So like when you have like a belly full of water and you start moving, it's sloshing around, right? So that's what happened, and that's how we got a magnetic field. And of course, this isn't real, but anyway, hold on. Let me shrink this. Okay, anyway, should be here by now. So, this is that. Let's shrink it, so it's like that. And of course, why this is like shriveled up like that is kind of weird. And let me draw a few more just to clear things up. Whee! Okay, whatever. Okay, so we got that. So of course, this way is toward the sun, because you can see it. These are going backwards more because of the solar wind, and the solar wind made these particles go this way, and the weakest was at the poles. So right here, and right here, right? Because that's where all of them come from. So these particles will enter this way. Hold on. They're gonna enter this way. And these solar particles, they're highly charged, and of course this way as So these would create the auroras. So back then, there were auroras, basically. But not yet, because it doesn't have an atmosphere yet. The atmosphere was created when this water evaporated, and a lot of the atmosphere and the water evaporated out, right? Normally, but then this magnetic field created an atmosphere like this. So that's where we get the auroras. So because this is how we get the auroras, so they collide onto here, and they basically spread out. A few of them get under, but still a very few. So next video we'll talk about how the Earth got life. See you at howtodostuffwithethan.com, and if I don't, see you in the next video. Bye.